Use protection when handling inks, as they are corrosive. Turn off and unplug the printer before handling any components. We start with daily maintenance. At the beginning of the day, we will need to clean the printheads and then perform a nozzle test. First, let's start with the printhead cleaning. In our controller, go to Clean to Head All and click on Clean Normal. Once the cleaning is done, proceed with the nozzle test. Click on Adjust, then on Nozzle Check, and finally on Print Adjust. If any color lines are missing in the nozzle test, it means the test is incomplete. In this case, repeat the printhead cleaning, but this time choose Clean Strong. Now, let's move on to end-of-day maintenance. We repeat the printhead cleaning. In the controller, go to Clean to Head All and click on Clean Normal. Once the cleaning is done, proceed with the nozzle test. Click on Adjust, then on Nozzle Check, and finally on Print Adjust. If any color lines are missing in the nozzle test, it means the test is incomplete. In this case, repeat the printhead cleaning, but this time choose Clean Strong. Now, let's clean the capping and the wiper. Center the printhead carriage by pressing the left button on the panel. Using a swab moistened with cleaner, clean the wiper and the capping. Next, with the help of a syringe and a tube, inject cleaner into the capping, carefully filling it to avoid overflowing. Finally, return the printhead carriage to its position by pressing this button. Weekly maintenance. Let's clean the bottom plate of the printhead. First, move the printhead carriage to the opposite end. Access it by opening the left side cover. Using a swab moistened with cleaner, clean the bottom plate of the printhead. It is important not to touch the printhead, as the bottom plate may have dry ink residues that must not come into contact with the printhead. Clean the entire base, ensuring it is completely clean and free of residues that might detach easily. Quarterly maintenance. Let's lubricate the guide rail of the printhead carriage. Using a swab moistened with lubricant, carefully lubricate the guide rail. Semi-annual maintenance. We need to replace the white ink dampers and the color ink dampers. First, close the clamps to prevent ink from flowing. Next, remove the damper from the tube, cut the end of the tube, and attach the new damper. Once the damper is connected to the tube, open the clamp and extract the air using a syringe, discarding the leftover ink. Now, reinstall the damper in its position. Repeat the process for all dampers, both color and white. Annual maintenance. We need to replace the capping. Position the printhead carriage and press the stop button on the side of the printer. Then, turn off the printer from the back. Next, remove the 4 screws on the back. Locate the tube connected to the 2 pumps and disconnect it before it reaches the splitter. Then, remove the screws holding the capping base. Once unscrewed, remove it. Disconnect the tubes and the splitter. Unscrew the 4 screws securing the capping to release it. Disconnect the 2 short tubes. Then, connect all the tubes to the new capping. Once connected, screw it onto the base. After attaching it to the base, reinstall the I-shaped splitter and the tubes. Reassemble the base, paying close attention to its positioning. The narrower part should face outward. Pass the tube through the corresponding slot and screw the capping into place. Replace the screws on the back cover and turn the printer back on. Finally, perform a printhead cleaning from the controller by clicking on Clean Normal. This will verify that the ink flows correctly through the waste tube, confirming that the capping has been successfully replaced.